Right, part A. So it's another one of these where we're going to have to rearrange the equation in order to get it into the form where we can easily say what the centre is and what the radius is. So start off by getting the x's together. So x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 8y, and then it's minus 8. If we add 8 to both sides, we get that. Now then we complete the square, so we look at the x's and we look at the y's separately. So looking at the x's, x squared minus 4x, if we halve the 4 we get x minus 2 squared. That's going to give us x squared minus 2 lots of 2x, or in other words x squared minus 4x. It's also going to give us a minus 2 times minus 2, or a plus 4, which we don't want, so we need to subtract that. And then similarly for y, half 8 gives us 4, but that's going to give us an extra plus 16, which we need to subtract, equals 8. So finally we have x minus 2 squared plus y plus 4 squared is going to equal 8 plus 16 plus 4, which I think is 28. And what that tells us is that the centre of the circle is going to be the point 2 and minus 4, and the radius is going to be the square root of 28, and it wants the exact radius, so it doesn't want it as a decimal. We can simplify it though. 28 is the same as 4 times 7, and the square root of 4 is 2, so it's 2 root 7. So there we've done A, parts 1 and 2. Now part B. The straight line with equation x equals k is a tangent to C. Find the two possible values for k. I'll try and draw a little sketch of this. Put my axes here, y and x, we can have something like that. Okay, so x and y, and then the centre is 2 minus 4, which is something about there. 2 minus 4. The radius is 2 root 7, and I will, probably not a good idea, but I'll try and just do a little sketch. It's going to look something like, something like that. Not great, that's supposed to be in the centre, but the reason I've done it is to give you an idea what we're looking to do. A straight line with equation x equals k, where k is a constant. Well, a line x equals k, if you think about it, has got to be a vertical line. So what it's saying is that we've got vertical lines like that, which are tangents to the circle, and a tangent means it just touches at one point. Okay, and what we're going to have to do is to find what these possible values of k are. Right, so let's think about it. If this is the centre of the circle here, then that's the centre. Now the vertical lines are going to be, again I haven't drawn it very well, my centre I should look like that, and can you see that where these vertical lines are tangents, it's going to be either side of the centre a distance, one radius length away. So I mean, that's going to be r there, that's going to be r there, but we know that r is 2 root 7. So the possible values for k are going to be 2 minus 2 root 7 and 2 plus 2 root 7. Yeah, and the 2 plus 2 root 7 will be this vertical line on the right, and the 2 minus 2 root 7 will be the vertical line on the left. And the reason for that is because the two lines x equals k have got to be completely vertical lines, so they've got to be sort of parallel to the y-axis, which means they must just simply be symmetrically either side of the centre, and the tangent's going to touch the circle at the point on the circle which is level with the centre, but the radius away to the left or to the right.